what's up, y'all? This is like the before and after footage of the Muddn185 bounty hole. Just got around to editing it. I do have some solid rear axle footage I need to post as well, but a couple people asked for some of these shots. Basically, I was going around the Rubicon trying to get a hang of riding it. I haven't been on a Rubicon in a while, so it's kind of like my practice runs. There's a lot of other good mud in the Muddn185 other than just the bounty hole. So played around and all that, and then at the end of the video, I got the footage of me running back and forth through the bounty hole after the big machines tore it up. So yeah, just kind of some random extra footage for you guys that are interested in that stuff. Heck yeah! Oh, that's getting goopy. Oh. So after the event was over and the mud hole was all chewed up, I wanted to see how bad it got. So I drove the Rubicon and the Pioneer 1000 back and forth through it a couple times. Really wasn't that bad. With the Tracci Aztecs, I kind of paddled right through it. Yes, I was going slow and taking my time and not trying to flip over and hydrolock the machine, but it really never got that thick. It was very interesting kind of silt on the bottom, and I guess it kept getting so stirred up that it really didn't thicken up with the amount of water. Only one to do it backwards.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.